This 2025 Primetime Tracer 308BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Primetime is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features slide-out, air conditioning, smoke detector, microwave, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, refrigerator, spare tire kit, self-contained, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Primetime Tracer 308BH is 6,582 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.